Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you all will be fine. Stay safe, stay blessed. Welcome you all in grade 5 English online class, and it's my first lecture with you, and our topic is kinds of noun. You read in previous classes also what is noun. Noun is the name of any person, place, animal, thing or idea. Okay, noun is the name of any person, place, animal, thing or idea. For example, boy, school, cat, etc. Okay, our main topic is kinds of noun. We have divided nouns into 5 further groups that are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Okay, again, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Now I'll discuss you in detail. Students, as I told you that there are five types of noun. So let's look its definition and examples. First one is common noun. Common noun refers to the name common to all persons or things of the same kind. Okay, it is a name used for common person, place or thing. For example, boy, girl, city, book, etc. Okay, these are used for general things, places or person. Proper noun refers to the name of a particular place, person or thing. Okay, when you give name to any person, place or thing, it becomes proper noun. For example, boy is a common noun, but if you give the name of a boy, for example Ali, so it will become proper noun. Okay, Taj Mahal, Ganges, New Delhi, these are examples of proper noun. You also took your own name. Your name is a proper noun. Okay, when you give name to any person, place or thing, so it will become proper noun. And one thing keep in mind, that proper nouns always written with capital letter. Okay, as you write Pakistan, so Pakistan always written in with capital letter. Collective noun refers to the name of a group or collection of many taken together. Okay, collective noun refers to a group of collection taken for collection of things. Okay, as you say that team of cricket match. Okay, now look, there are 11 players in that team, so you use only one word, team, here. Okay, so team is collective noun. Here are examples: crowd, herd, fleet, etc. Crowd is used for many people. Okay, when there are lots of people, you say that crowd of people. So crowd is a collective noun used for many people. As same as herd, there are lots of animal, sheep or goats, so you say that herd of sheep. Okay, abstract noun refers to the name of a feeling, state of mind or quality. Okay, it can be felt. Okay, for example, honesty, bravery, these are qualities, you can't touch them. Okay, you can't touch them, but you can feel them. Okay, material noun, these are the nouns that refers to the name of materials or substances out of which things are made. Okay, as you know that material, as it name, used name for the material. Another name for this type is concrete noun. Okay, examples are gold, iron, food, etc. So student, these are kinds of noun. You will make this chart on your notebook. Okay, and I will share a worksheet, you have to do it. Okay, thank you.